Oy, official! Ngayon ay aking 14th birthday. Isa pang year older at another year for amazing content. Ini-include yung fun na made for sa channel na ito. Excited na ako for what's ahead. I-celebrate natin yung birthday ko at Sura Korean Barbecue. Kaka-arrive natin dito sa Sura Korean Barbecue. Ito ay all-you-can-eat spot sa Chula Vista near Old Ranch Town Center. Yung beef brisket with the grill. Ito yung one of my favorite Korean barbecue meats, especially sa soy sauce at white rice. Ito ay so delicious. Yung beef brisket ay tender with soy sauce at rice. Ito ay perfect. Now, ito yung beef bulgogi. Ito yung one of my favorites. Ito yung sweet at juicy flavor. And that's it for sa birthday celebration na ito. Salamat sa channel support at exciting for another amazing year ahead. Kita-kita sa next video.